What's up, guys? I'm back. And yeah, you're coming on YouTube. I'm posting this all over YouTube and all my fans can see. Thank you guys for 113 subscribers. Get out the way. Get out. Okay, not actually go. Go. I'll let you know when your food's done. Actually, get out. At the kitchen. I'll let you know when your food's done. Bread. Get out of the kitchen.
I didn't stay in the kitchen.
Bread. Wow. Say. Ow. Ow.
Game is weird.
It's like. So I'm going to be making 2 pieces. One for India. Do you guys remember the song that said where she said,
No.
I got braids, I got white teeth?
I hate
Yeah,
that.
that's her.
I don't like
That's
that.
her.
I don't like it that
You know, I actually
much.
saved the audio, so I still have it. I can repost it.
I guess.
Can I wear your necklace for the video?
No. It's even for girls anyway. Why do you want to wear it?
It's like,
These are sticky rolls. See from Walmart and Target. Can I have some?
no,
Ready?
it's mine.
This was
And I already put my lips on that.
Me?
I already put my lips on my Powerade. We're gonna need butter. Wait, we're recording a video.
Keep being rude.
I'm not. Y'all, comment down below if am I being rude.
Keep being a butthead.
Get out of the kitchen right now.
Oh!
I'm not gonna make you your food if you're gonna be rude.
I'm not
You can make
rude.
your own food if you're gonna be rude. Go.
No, I'm
Now,
not
go watch TV or something. You know,
I'm
actually,
not a
I wanted this cooking video.
You should just say please.
Please, please get out of the kitchen. Now, please get out of the kitchen.
What is that? Tristan, you have it.
No, I gave it to you.
Wait, no, you did not.
Yeah, I did.
And she did not come over here with a stick. She came here empty-handed.
I don't know where it is.
You just lost my own.
I'm kidding. I know where it is.
Want to yoga with your food? No.
I thought you said you weren't making ready.
I said I'm not gonna make her food. I'm not gonna make her food if she's just not gonna listen and if she's not gonna be nice.
I'm gonna be 8.
I'm 9. You're literally 7 years old. You're in freaking 1st grade.
No, 2nd grade.
2nd grade. Yeah, you messed up.
Get out of the kitchen right now.
Come on, India. We'll wait.
Rude.
We'll wait for him to finish and then
Rudy.
I'll give
No.
you. I'll
Stop right now.
Ready.
I'll be right back, guys. You guys stop. Bye, Nikhil. The food's done. Hi guys, I'm Charlie. You guys know the YouTube channel SML? Yeah, I love watching them. There's a hole in that. This is my toast. Yes, I washed my hands before I started the video, guys. And there's actually a soon. Oh, my food good. I got a filter? No, it's not a filter. That's actually not a filter, guys. That looks like a YouTube filter, right? Okay, I just started doing this. Have you guys ever just started doing this? Sorry if that hurts your ears. Next time I'm giving you guys a warning because I don't want to break any of you guys' ears. I don't want to break anybody's ears. And then I get sued because I just don't want to get sued. Well, actually, I can't really get sued. You guys would sue my mom. But you guys, if you guys play Roblox or something, I'll put my TikTok account name. Wait, no, not my TikTok. I'll put my Roblox name in the chat. Not in the chat, the comments. I like to go live a lot. Sometimes I like to think about going live, which I can't go live ever. You know, a little bit more. Should I let them eat, guys? Of course I have to let them eat, because... Well, actually... What do you want, India? So he's got to get bread. You guys just have to get bread, toast it, get butter, put the butter on, and then you get some cinnamon.
Yeah, I don't want cinnamon in mine.
No cinnamon?
Yeah. What cinnamon?
You just want it plain?
No, I don't want no cinnamon.
You want it plain? This
Yeah.
is mine.
Yeah. I'm plain.
Then here's yours. Just butter?
Yeah.
Butter? Alright.
Keep it liquid.
I got cinnamon on my hand. I got a little bit of cinnamon.
Okay, stop doing that. That's nasty.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Nasty. You do not know how to cook.
I know how to cook eggs. Don't mess with me. I will literally recook your food until the until the smoke alarm goes off.
Okay.
Which it would be fully black.
Okay. I like it burnt.
Like the whole thing just black.
Yeah.
That's bad for you,
I
India.
like it. It's
That's
yummy.
bad for you.
Crunch on-
My friend almost died from that. Stop laughing, India. That's not funny.
Wait, who? JC?
No, Jaden. You don't know Jaden.
Is he big?
Yeah, duh.
Is he
He's in my
white?
car. No.
Black?
Yes.
I thought he's white.
You need a little bit of cinnamon because this video,
No.
I'm making both here.
Thank you.
Now I'm gonna make myself another toast.
I'm making a song.
I'm just gonna make a sandwich. Guys, this is making a. You're welcome, I guess. This is a sandwich video. Wait,
With cinnamon?
a cinnamon sandwich. Yes, that's the title of this video. I'm making a cinnamon sandwich.
And with butter only. 100% good.
Yeah.
India,
What?
this video is going on YouTube. Guys, I just added some cinnamon and I accidentally added that much. But I can just do this. Wait, so I'm just gonna put like a tiny bit of butter over it. How does that look? And then what you guys are gonna want to do is add a little bit more cinnamon. And then you're just gonna want to repeat the process for the next one. Next video, I'll be making the same thing, but showing you guys how to. For those of you who do not know how to cook, this video is for you guys. Cinnamon toast video. Okay, Toaster, can you please hurry up? Wait, you want? What is it? I'm gonna say pata what we're saying. I'm recording a video, by the way.
Oh, excuse the fuck out of me. Sorry. Hey, dear. So you want to call your dad?
Do you mind being on the video?
Yeah, you want to put the butter away?
Oh, I'm making a sandwich.
Oh, a butter sandwich?
Yeah, with a little bit
Baby, you have like a cup of mac and cheese or fruit snacks. Like, what's going on?
Well, I'm a big bag
But we're eating a butter sandwich.
with some cinnamon.
Ugh,
I'm doing a cooking video.
this is not. Okay.
Whoops. You cannot say that does not look good, Mom. It does look good.
Okay, baby.
I-
You know
my
what I'm gonna
cooking-
eat? A trail mix.
Nice.
This is a good choice, not a butter sandwich.
Don't forget the cinnamon.
Princess? Oh, you scared me.
Wait, I didn't even add the cinnamon.
We're gonna go see what's your big back brother is making a butter sandwich.
My big bag, big bag.
Big bag, big bag.
Come on, Ninja.
You guys can just wait outside. I'll be out in a minute. Oh, we're leaving. And then you guys have that with cinnamon, and that's how it looks. So good. For all my viewers who love watching me, some of y'all. This sandwich is good, y'all.
Butter until he mixed it, he confused. Yeah, he loves butter until he confused.
I wish y'all could taste how good this is. Which you guys could actually make it too. Next video I make, guys, is gonna be how to make it.
You want to get splashed with water? No. It's dirty water?
Well, we're about to leave,
I know.
and there's an Uber.
Okay. I don't like water. That makes like awful. Hey. Did you pick that?
No,
Yes, you did.
I didn't.
That's so nice. Someone's gonna die if they don't come to my birthday
Should
party.
I continue watching this?
Hey,
It's a computer. I'm gonna show you something. This is how you do it. That's how you do it, but this is how I do it.
Red, stop. Coming. Yes? Yeah? Alright. She said none of your business. None of your business.
Hey.
Hi. So what's up? You never said hi.
Hi.
She said hi.
Mama's phone number is 3.
Hey!
My number is 313-265-45.
No, stop!
I'm just joking. That's a fake number. That's a toy number.
Come here. Let me see real quick. Let me see.
206-800-19.
Leave her thing alone. Leave her baby alone.
Go get your own right now.
Huh? Bye, guys.